this video, I'm going to give a brief demonstration on RRSP deductions. In order to claim RRSP deductions, you need to navigate to the RRSP worksheet and enter your contributions. In this case, the taxpayer has 3 contributions. You will then need to scroll down to the deduction section of the RRSP worksheet. Over there, you will see your RRSP deduction limit as well as your contribution limit. If these values are not showing up, you need to scroll down even further until you reach the RRSP deduction limit statement section. From here, you will need to fill in your RRSP deduction limit information, which you can find in your previous year's notice of assessment. Once that is filled, head back over to the deduction section and you will now see that the information is showing up. From there, you can enter the amount you want to claim in the box below. To verify your entry has been saved, you can check line 2800 of your T1 General. As you can see under line 2800, it says 6,750, which means that our entries have been successfully entered. For more information, you can check out the CRA website or check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.